Hi, my name's Scott. For today's video, we're looking over this gel blaster toy rated for ages 12 and older. Let's go ahead, open it up, show you the style and everything you get. Okay, it comes with a battery, a USB battery charger, 2 things of ammunition, manual. Make sure you refer to your manual for how the gel blaster bullets work. Little container, which is kind of like a little grenade for your blaster bullets, safety glasses, and this is it. Okay, you take this off, and this is where your battery goes. You also have your on and off button right here, this orange little button. Trigger right there. Put the ammunition hopper right on the top there. Pretty cool looking if you ask me. They also give you a handle that's going to go on the bottom underneath here, and that you hold it with one hand and the other hand you hold the weapon at the trigger. They're also going to give you this laser sight. Pull out this white plastic piece. You have your on and off button, so that's just going to give you some accuracy and show you where you're aiming. This is how it's going to look. We put ours on the side. You can mount it on either side. You can also mount it underneath here if you remove this, but we like it on the side. Now let's go test it out. Alright, so this is how it's going to go on. You put your ammo in here once it's ready and swelled up. It can go very far. Yeah, we can hit our garage way out there. So this one actually does a pretty good job of not jamming up. So pretty impressed. Very nice.